A priest sexually abuses children for 30 years across Wisconsin. A mother tells DA David Prosser her 2 young sons were sexually assaulted. What does Prosser do? Prosser refuses to prosecute, doesn't even ask the police to investigate. Instead, Prosser meets with the bishop. To avoid scandal, they send the priest to another community and the assaults continue. Tell David Prosser, judges should protect our children, not sex offenders.
The issue is fighting crime and putting victims first. But Joanne Kloppenberg says she's not tough on crime. Listen.
I never said I was tough on crime. Being tough on crime was not my message.
Every crime has a victim, and every victim expects the judge to deliver justice.
I never said I was tough on crime. Being tough on crime was not my message.
Call Joanne Kloppenberg. Tell her being weak on criminals is dangerous for Wisconsin families.
I was convicted of stabbing my victims with a kitchen knife.
Of shooting my ex-girlfriend and murdering her sister in front of our child.
Of sexual assault on a mom and her 10-year-old daughter. Then I slashed their throats.
On appeal, Justice Thomas Kilbride sided with us.
Over law enforcement or victims.
Other judges overruled Kilbride and our appeals were denied.
Kilbride chose criminals' rights over and over again, way more than any other justice. Vote no on retention of Thomas Kilbride. Vote down ballot. It's a top priority.
Some in the ruling class say it's wrong for voters to hold Supreme Court judges accountable for their decisions.
There is no such thing as an activist judge.
When activist judges on Iowa Supreme Court imposed gay marriage, they were the only judges within 1,200 miles to reach such a radical conclusion. If they can redefine marriage, none of the freedoms we hold dear are safe from judicial activism. To hold activist judges accountable, flip your ballot over and vote no on retention of Supreme Court justices. Michigan Supreme Court Justice Bob Young admitted using the N-word in a conversation with his fellow justices. A former justice says he suggested using the words, "you ignorant slut," when addressing the State Appellate Defender Commission. Disgraceful.
I'm Judge Denise Langford Morris. I'll work hard to bring dignity back to the Michigan Supreme Court. I need your vote, November 2nd.
Paid for by the friends of Judge Denise Langford Morris.
Mary Beth Kelly says she feels really bad. An illegal alien in and out of the juvenile court system for violent behavior and selling crack. He was never deported or put in jail until he brutally carjacked and executed a man. And one judge oversaw it all. One judge did not put him in jail or have him deported. Judge Mary Beth Kelly just let him through the revolving door despite warning signs. She says she feels really bad. We do too.